Mr. Shaw, do you have anything you wish to say on your own behalf before I proceed?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Glass, anything from the state of Ohio in this regard?
No, Your Honor, I believe everything Attorney Lewis indicated to the record is correct. We do have
Especially the compliment towards the prosecutor's office. You found that to be very credible.
Carol Pasco. I believe she's the victim's daughter and the defendant's daughter. She's here to make a statement.
Thank you. Gentlemen, if you would just move over, just either stage right or stage left. Ma'am, if you would just go up to the podium there, and just for the sake of my notes, if you could state your full name and spell your last name.
My name is Carol Patsko, P-A-T-S-K-O.
Thank you, ma'am. You may proceed.
My sister and I would just like to thank you, Your Honor, Dennis Will, and the prosecutor's office for your kind understanding of our father's situation. We truly appreciate everyone's effort on his behalf and ours. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you. Send my thanks also to your sister, and my condolences as well. Come on back, gentlemen. Thank you. Defendant appeared in court for sentencing after having pled guilty to and been found guilty by the court of one charge of involuntary manslaughter, a felony of the first degree. With the felony of the first degree, there's there's a presumption towards a prison sanction with regard to this matter. In light of the court has to consider recidivism and seriousness factors with regard to this, and based upon the consideration of the actual matter and the pre-sentence report, I find 4 recidivism unlikely factors, no recidivism likely factor. However, I find 1 more serious factor and no less serious factors applicable, and therefore find that the presumption towards a prison sanction at this time has not been rebutted. I want to remind you, Mr. Shaw, what I said when I took your plea in this matter a month or so ago, is that upon your release from prison, if I don't grant judicial release, but if I don't, upon release from prison, you will be placed for 5 years on what is known as post-release control, and then under that, the parole authority can return you to prison for violating conditions of post-release control. I remand defendant over the care and custody of the Lorain County Sheriff's Office for transfer in accordance with this decision. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.